feels like dating. I'm like, oh my god, is this a one? But we did officially submit the offer about an hour ago, and it expires tomorrow night at midnight. I don't know. I feel like this is like part like human psychology. Like they want to make you want him more. Hi besties, what's up? It is currently a Monday, and it's kind of an exciting day. I put on a decent outfit. We still need to do our makeup, but let me show you the fit. So this is what we're working with. Got a cute little sweater vest. I've been so into this idea. And then I asked you guys on Instagram to do a poll whether or not I should keep or return these boots, and I think most of you guys hate them. We also have the new camera that we're vlogging with, so hopefully this will look a little bit fancier. So today we are going house shopping again, and this is actually a house that I just saw yesterday, and it's potentially a house that we'd want to put an offer on. I do have a couple hesitations about the house, and I need to go see it again, so that's what we're doing today. But honestly, this house shopping situation is like so stressful because it takes up so much of my time, and thankfully I don't work every single day. Otherwise, I don't know how I would ever be able to house shop. Like in Kevin's situation, he like never has a day off, so I don't know how he would ever get it done without me, you know? But so that's what we're doing today. We also are shooting a really cool campaign for, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say, but I have to go to the store to actually pick up some of their items to feature in these videos. It's one of my favorite brands on planet Earth, so it's kind of a big deal, so I want to do a good job. It's hard because as a content creator and, you know, just like wanting to live in a space that looks and feels cute is really important to me, especially because I'm filming and like, you know, my house is gonna be on camera all the time, and while I know I can afford a house that's a little bit more expensive, again, like I just like to plan for the worst situation possible. So if I were literally broke and like making the minimum amount of money that I've ever made in my entire life, what kind of house would I be able to afford? And I think that's the approach I'm going for. But then in the back of my head, I have this like beautiful vision of like a farmhouse vibe house that I want, and that would require me to like redo the hardwood floors, like redo the kitchens, like all this stuff. And I mean, it is expensive to buy a house that's already done, and it's also expensive to renovate something that is already existing. And so I don't know. I think I'm trying to find like a middle ground here. By the time this video is out, you guys might already know this, but I recently got into grad school, and obviously grad school is incredibly expensive, and I'm gonna have student loans. Kev already has student loans, and on top of that, if we buy a house, that's just like a lot of things all at the same time, and so I'm trying to space things out. I'm also running to do returns today. Look at all this stuff that I need to return. They're from like 3 different stores, and these Steve Madden boots, y'all hated them on Instagram, so we're gonna return them. Okay guys, so I was actually able to find street parking, which is always a great sign, but I am going to come look at this house again. I looked at it yesterday like I told you guys, but I need to just like look at it from an unbiased perspective, because yesterday it was so beautiful, like the sunlight was shining through the whole home, but sunny days like that are pretty rare in Seattle, so I just want to make sure the lighting is still okay even when it's not super sunny. And we're like, again, in no rush to buy a house, so we are willing to be patient, and it's just, it feels like dating. I'm like, oh my god, is this a one? Like, I don't really know. Like, could it get better? Could it not get better? Guys, I honestly feel like a dumbass. Because me thinking that I was a seasoned Seattleite decided not to take one of the streets because it was going to be a toll road, only to discover that by going around and avoiding the toll, I ended up taking another toll, and then I actually missed the exit because it wasn't a street that I normally take, so then I ended up having to pay it twice, like going one way and then coming back because I messed up. So yeah, everything is going great, besties. Okay, hopefully you guys are safe right there. I thought I would show you a quick little haul. I ended up getting a Minnie Mouse plushie, a Donald Duck plushie, and a Mickey Mouse plushie. In addition to the plushies, most importantly, homegirl got some food. I was gonna actually get some Auntie Annie's, the pretzels, but it ended up just being, I could not find it in the mall. So I got some Beechers instead. This is the grilled cheese. Beechers is definitely one of my highest recommended things that you try if you are not from Seattle and you come to visit. but the grilled cheeses are always so crispy that they are delicious. Ready for the ASMR? Yum. I feel like I'm like always eating alone. I need to get comfortable like going to a restaurant by myself. That's like a fear that I have not conquered yet, but maybe next time. Maybe I'll take you guys and we can go eat together. Okay, you guys, so we did get some PR. This box is literally bigger than me. So why don't we unbox it and see what's inside? Box number 1. Got some goodies from Figs. Oh my god, it's so pretty! Okay, this is so cute. So we have the scrub cap, electric blue, that's just about to come out. By the time you guys see this, it'll probably already be out. A hoodie! Oh my god, so cute. Okay. Love, love, love. Was just about to order some hoodies, so this is amazing. We've got undershirt, so that's fun. A scarf, a fake scarf? Shut up. Oh my god, I don't even want to open it because she's so cute. And then we have the actual scrubs, of course. Why don't I open this, because I know for sure I'm going to be using the scrub cap. So I wear these at work all the time. They are just so comfortable. I like the ones that have the tie in the back. Cute, 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 cute. Love it. And I will most definitely be wearing this hoodie. Ah, cute. Oh my god. Okay. Jackets are always deeply appreciated. Okay, nice, nice, nice. She's very blue, but she's gonna be perfect for work because this is exactly the color that I normally wear. And then we have a massive package. I think I know exactly what is in here. They're from Caraway. These are new pots and pans, our saute pans and stuff. I did get an apron, which I actually need this apron to do a photo shoot this week. She is cute. She is the moment. I will unbox these big ones. Oh, she's pretty. We actually got it in stone color this time. What she looks like. So this is one of the pans. And then we have the second one. Here's what she looks like. We have the navy set already. You can actually see the lids in the back there, but I wanted to switch it up and get this beautiful gray color. She is so aesthetic, but like nice pans like seriously make all the difference. It actually entices me to cook more frequently, so I appreciate that. I'm actually gonna leave it linked down below if you want to check it out because this stuff is pretty amazing. We've been using it since we moved to Seattle. Today's a work day. I'm just trying to get everything done, but we did officially submit the offer about an hour ago and it expires tomorrow night at midnight. So I'm not thinking we're gonna hear back by today. We'll probably hear back sometime tomorrow. They said the seller is like on vacation right now, so we'll see. But I feel incredibly calm. Like I feel like if we get it, we get it. And if we don't, we don't. Like I'm not incredibly torn either way. And I think that's the right mindset to have. Reporting live, it's the next morning. Yes, I'm wearing the exact same outfit and I still have not washed my hair. I just washed my face, yay. We still haven't heard back from the listing agent. I don't know, I feel like this is like part like human psychology, like they want to make you want it more, so they have to make you wait for it. I don't know. It's already been almost 24 hours, so I'm like, just tell me, like just let me know, let me know. I texted Kevin this morning, he was like, oh, I'm so anxious, and he's like, babe, you just don't like rejection. And like honestly, I remember being in like middle school and high school and like applying for stuff and getting rejected to everything, but like now I'm in a phase in my life where rejection doesn't come that often because I don't do that many things that require rejection. So yeah, it feels uneasy, guys. Update, it is now like 4 p.m.-ish and still no word from the seller or the listing agent. My agent now has left a couple of voicemails with nothing, and we were just talking about how this is like such an interesting concept because I feel like in California when you're buying a house, because my parents do a lot of real estate, there's so much communication, like people are constantly talking. You know, if an offer isn't good enough for you or you feel like it's not enough, then it's up to, you know, the seller and the seller agent to communicate that to the buyer's agent and be like, hey, we can be mutual. If, you know, you provide this much money, you know, then whatever. Like there's just like a dead silence. And I talked to my agent, who is also from California. Yeah, it's very normal in Seattle to have like minimal to no communication at all. So I would not be surprised if like this offer expired tonight and there was nothing, like just like dead silence. So yeah, I mean, it's just so strange to me. Like, I feel like if I were selling a house, you know, let's say I was selling it for $1 million and the person offered like $990 or something and I wanted $1 million, like I would just tell them that I want $1 million, but maybe I'm missing something here. I don't know. It's now like 5:30 p.m. and we finally got an update, and basically the seller and the listing agent like aren't on the same page. Basically the situation is that like they're confused why there are offers even before the open house, and like obviously in this housing market, like that's what you would expect. The seller, you know, is wanting more money because all her friends are telling her that like it's not enough money, and my agent was like, okay, well that's fine, just counter the offer so that we can figure something out, you know? That's what we're going through. So we gave her until like tomorrow to like try to figure it out. With a new wide angle lens, we can actually see everything we're eating. How was your day, Count? Give us a little update.
Me? I've like worked day number like 12 in a row.
Yesterday was Kevin's best call shift thus far. You're on call for 24 hours and you have to go in. Twice. You're covering 2 hospitals and you went in once for each hospital. Which, hey,
for less than an hour each.
They weren't consults, they were for very specific inquiries about specific patients. I never ended up closing this video, but it ended up being a whole situation where they said that they were willing to review it early and then they decided not to. They wouldn't counter our offer or tell us what to do. They just wanted us to put in an escalation clause, and honestly, we thought it was kind of sketchy. And then when the offer review date actually came for that house, they also didn't want to review it. They wanted an extra 24 hours. So honestly, we're glad we pulled out. Like there were some sketchy things about that house anyways. So I just think it was bad juju. But guys, okay, the next episode is gonna be lit. So you definitely don't want to miss next week's vlog because, you know, 3rd time's a charm. Okay, see you next week. Bye.